If you want to mute all sounds on Samsung Galaxy S26, you can open Settings on your phone, scroll down in here in order to find Accessibility. In Accessibility, we're gonna proceed to Hearing Enhancement. And then in here, you can find Mute All Sounds option, so you can quickly turn on or turn off this option by tapping on this switcher. You can also tap on the option itself in order to create a little shortcut, so you can quickly enable or disable this option by using one of these available options that we have in here. And that's pretty much it. Of course, besides that, instead of going to accessibility, you can also use the mute sound mode. So for example, if you open the quick settings panel or the control center panel, in here we have this speaker that allows us to switch between different modes, and over here now we have the silent mode activated, or the mute mode activated, which disables vibration and ringtones, sounds in general. So you can try that out instead. Of course, you might still want to, for example, turn down the media volume slider in case you want to mute the media as well. And you can find similar options by going to sound settings as well. So if you open sounds and vibration in settings, then of course you can choose the mute option in here. You can also turn it on temporarily if you want to. And if you go to volume, then of course we have a bunch of different sliders as well that can be quite useful if you want to adjust it. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.